As of September 2024, Boost Mobile does not offer a built-in feature or online portal to directly view text messages, SMS, MMS, from your account. This is a common limitation among prepaid carriers. Unlike some postpaid providers, like Verizon with their Message Plus app, Boost Mobile does not store your messages on their servers in a way that's accessible to you. Your messages are primarily stored locally on your phone. We will be going over how to view these messages and your options. The easiest way to access your texts is directly on your phone. Use your device's default messaging app to view all sent and received messages. Make sure not to accidentally delete important conversations, as they are stored locally on your device. For more advanced management, consider third-party apps. On Android, SMS Backup and Restore lets you back up messages to Google Drive or your computer. For iOS, iMazing provides similar functionality through iTunes or Direct Backup. These tools help you view and organize texts externally, but be aware that uploading to cloud services can consume data. Switch to Wi-Fi to avoid charges. Another option is to forward texts to your email for easy archiving. Apps like Email SMS Forwarder can automatically send incoming messages to your email address, creating a searchable record. While these are popular and effective, they are not endorsed by Boost Mobile. Always consider the security implications, as third-party apps may access your data. If other methods don't work, you can contact Boost Mobile customer support at 1-888-BOOST4U. Due to privacy regulations, they typically cannot provide message logs or access your texts. In rare cases, such as legal disputes, they might assist with proper documentation. Finally, remember that unauthorized access to someone else's text messages is illegal. Always respect privacy laws and use these options responsibly for your own communications.